This is one of the most satisfying rings I've ever made, but it's so much trouble to make. The details are also the most problematic, so it takes me dozens of hours every time I make a ring like this. When I first designed it, I thought that the rings we usually wear are too monotonous. This ring is not only versatile, but also not easy to clash. It can also be mass-produced. The problem is that every bit of craftsmanship on it is lost. It just has to be hand-carved and painted to look good. A lot of people have said that my custom jewelry is too expensive even though it's perfect. I want to say I also rely on myself alone to support the whole family. I just rely on my craftsmanship to earn money. If you also like this ring, I can customize it for you according to the same model, and I will not charge you for the work, and I also hope that you can support the craftsman, even if you don't like handmade custom jewelry. Please follow me and I will make it for you in the future.